So I have this in an old video, my first video that I put on YouTube. What I have done since then is putting on this four-way splitter, making it much faster to split bigger logs. I also added this table for catching the overflow wood. I was planning to cut it in a nice shape when I tested it, to see nice shape but still big enough to catch the material, but then my plasma cutter failed, overheated and needed to start again. So I haven't been able to cut it, so I have sharp edge, or sharp, I have edges that I really don't want to have, but well. So to operate this, you need to use two hands, two of these levers, pull them back both at the same time. Let go of one, it stops. If you let go of both, then it returns. If you have shorter woods, then move it up to that distance. Move this lock, and when you have split that, it will go back to that short position again, saving you time in the return of the splitter. You see, you have longer, and you can adjust this for a longer stroke. Bit more. What's more, you have a filler for the hydraulic oil, an on-off switch. And that's it. Okay, that was what I wanted to show you. Still running after all these years. I will link to the other video when it was brand new. I haven't had any problems with it really. Just works. Okay. See you in another video. See you in another video.